Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make iced black tea at home, only way. Steep 4 teaspoons of loose black tea, or 4 bags, in 2 cups of just boiled water for 4 minutes, then strain immediately. Add 1 cup cold water to stop extraction and create concentrated tea. Sweeten while warm if desired, then chill quickly over ice for crystal clear, refreshing iced black tea. Start with fresh, cold water and bring it fully to a boil for optimal extraction. Measure 4 teaspoons of loose black tea, or 4 tea bags, for 2 cups of boiling water. Steep for exactly 4 minutes, then strain the leaves or remove bags immediately to prevent bitterness. This timing produces a strong concentrate that flavors well once diluted and chilled, keeping the tea clean and bright. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tips. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum with voice control for effortless tidy-ups between tea sessions. It saves time and makes kitchen cleanup almost fun. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you grab one, tell me how it handled crumbs. Now let's get back to the video. After straining, add 1 cup cold water to the hot concentrate to stop extraction and balance the strength. Pour the mixture over a pitcher full of ice to chill rapidly and avoid cloudy tea. Sweeten with simple syrup or add lemon and mint while cold for extra brightness. Serve over fresh ice and adjust sweetness or dilution to your preference for a crisp, refreshing glass every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.